Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we have a video about the Gucci cosmetic case. So let's just get straight onto it. So this is how the box arrived to my house. The TNT, the delivery guy, did when he dropped it off. He did mention to me that it was damaged during transit and that his manager had checked it and that there didn't seem to be anything wrong with the insides. Now, I did, as you can see here, there is a seal that says check the integrity if the seal is broken, all that good stuff. Now, all around the seal is not broken. It is not broken all around on this side or the other side. It was not broken. The only place that it was broken was... actually, it wasn't even broken. I had to cut through it. But the only place that has damage is on this side, top and bottom. And what I feel like he's done is he stepped on it. He must have been moving stuff and just stepped on the box. Because that looks like a foot, someone stepped on it. And it's just crumpled the whole box. I did email Gucci and let them know that this happened. And I'm just waiting on a reply from them. But, so when you do open the box... it comes like so. As you can see, the damage is here on this side and all inside there. And unfortunately for me, that's where the box was. It does come with a shopping bag, and it's one big shopping bag. It's got the handles. So this for me will probably just go back into the box because I don't need to use it. It also comes with the receipt envelope, which carries the returns. I am so sorry about the noise. Which carries the returns, returns slip. It also has the packing slip of where it came from. It also comes with this cute tiny envelope that has like just a card inside for you to write anything. It does say Gucci. And it also comes, well, I added on the website, they did have the option to send a note. So I added a note to myself, as cheesy as it is. So, yeah. When I did take it out, unfortunately the base, this was squished in, which has caused this mark right here. And like right here, like so this whole thing was like squashed in. Anyway, we will just go ahead, take the ribbon off. And I will show you the inside of the box. I'm so upset about the box. I know it's just a box, but like it's ruined the experience. As you can see, that corner there, come on, that corner right there is like damaged. Look at that. And the inside of the box looks like I bought this second hand. The tag for the bag, for the cosmetic bag, is just loosely in there. Feels so ripped off. This is a dust bag that the cosmetic case comes in. And it's just the linen. And then we have the case herself. Oh, she is gorgeous. I have been eyeing this out for like a year now, even longer, and it's just been on my list for the longest time. It's always in and out of stock on the Australian website, and it did come in two other styles. It came in the Marmont design in two colors. It came in black and a baby blue, and I wanted to get those as well, but a couple of months ago they took it off the site. Anyway, this is the bag, and of course I am going to DIY it. We will get into that a bit later. On the website, it wasn't in stock for a long time, and last week or the week before, I happened to just be on the website, looked it up, and it was available to pre-order. So they did say on the pre-order that it is expected to be shipped out between October 22nd to January the 1st. So I was like, all right, mad. I just clarified all that. And I bought it expecting it to come at the end of the month, which is why I do not have the DIY kit for this just yet. Anyway, so yeah, that's pricing. And this is the beautiful cosmetic pouch. I bought this because I don't know what's wrong with me. I bought this because I really love their shoulder bag, but their shoulder bag is like 2,000 and something, I believe. And this was $605. I can buy the kit. I think the conversion kit is like $55, maybe $15 postage. So altogether I'm paying under $700. And I'm happy with that. I can live with the fact that, you know, it's going to be a DIY bag. But that's what it looks like. I'm just a little worried about the edges, because with the Louis Vuitton one, the DIYs, you see their flap here is a bit it's got extra material, so it makes it easy for you to put a D-ring through, whereas as you can see there, it's going to be hard to try to fit a D-ring through that piece right there. See, is material lined. We've got the card case, number one. For my coins, for my keys, I've got two sets. I've got my car keys and then I've got my house keys. If I am going out with my husband, I really don't take my keys because he's got his set. This is an iPhone XS Max, which is bigger than the iPhone 12 Pro. Not the 12 Pro Max, just the iPhone 12 Pro. This is bigger than that, and that fits just fine in there. And then you've got your mask, which is something I also take. So keys, phone, wallet is what I have in my bag, and I'm good to go. But this does fit a lot more, so I will show you a pad. I like to keep a pad in all my bigger bags just in case. Sunnies, I don't have a case for this, but sunnies can also go in there. You've got a lipstick. If you use liquid lipstick instead of a normal bullet lipstick, there's that. I don't have like I think it's a Palmolive or the Dettol hand sanitizers. It's like a little one, it's that big. I don't have that size. I do have a bigger one, it's a Dior one. So this will fit, but it's going to most likely warp your bag. But let's just say that's there. And there's a bit of warping here. Wait, this is too fat. I have other sanitizers. I don't usually take that one out. No warping. Yeah, so that's a lot of stuff that fits in there. Moisturizer and stuff like that I keep in my car. Like, I don't feel the need to put them in a bag. And there we go. Oh my god, it's so pretty. And it hasn't warped, it hasn't done anything. I'm so happy with this. Hello everyone, welcome back. This is part 2 of the video. So I do have an update. I ended up emailing Gucci and letting them know and sending them photos of the condition of the box. I think it was the next day. I had the customer service or the sales rep, her name was Charmaine. So shout out to Charmaine from, I think it's the Sydney store. Absolutely amazing. She was so nice. She called me up. She goes, usually with the TNT, which is their courier service that they use, they have an agreement with them that if any box is damaged during transit, they must bring the box back. So I don't know why the guy decided to still continue to give the box to me, but he did. And she did tell me, look, do you want to exchange it? We can exchange it if you want. And I said, look, no, that's fine. I said to her, look, really all I want is a box to come back to me. I got a new box. This is like a week, not even a week later. So she contacted me on Thursday or Friday, and this came yesterday, I believe. And it's just a brand new box, a much smaller box. I don't know why it didn't come in this in the first place. And it didn't come with a ribbon or anything. It just came with a tote bag. This is a smaller tote bag than the one I got last time, so I'm happy about that. And it's also a different box. The one I got last time, it's a open lid, whereas this is a magnetic lid. So with the bag, I did manage to order the belt and the buckle thingies from KD Australia. I will link what I bought below. It was $15 and I think $10 to $15. No, sorry, it was $55 plus like $10 to $15 postage. So this is how it looks in the end. I had to undo the belt because when I store it in the dust bag, I don't want it to curl up and stuff. But the belt is quite short. This strap, sorry, not belt. The strap is quite short. So it doesn't go complete crossbody over me. So that's a second, like there's still one more hole to make it bigger. And then see where it sits on me? It doesn't really sit lower. So I do have to like wear it like this. Which is fine, I guess. Oh my god, there's a massive bag of rubbish behind me, which I don't want you guys to see. So, it looks so disgusting with this thing. With the strap, you can see it's almost a perfect match. It looks much lighter on camera, like it's showing off that it's a couple of tones lighter, but I think it's just because the light's reflecting off it. I think if you were to see it from far, you probably couldn't even tell unless you like came up close and started inspecting it. But that's what it looks like, and it doesn't fall. I've seen a few videos where people did and they would use like the metal chain straps and it would fall. The one thing that I don't know people might see as a disadvantage about these inserts is these DIY kits is these chains are not removable. But can I just say, this was such a unpleasant thing to do. I tried to film it. I don't even know if I caught anything, but I tried to film it for the longest time and it was the worst thing ever. I could not film it. Not because I had issues filming, but because I had issues trying to thread the ring through here. Unlike the Louis Vuitton one, which is it has a bit more free space for you to add a D-ring in, this is much tighter. And the way that this is positioned, this piece is kind of stuck into the zipper. So it takes a lot of practice and patience to get it through. With the kit that comes from KD Australia, you do get the bag strap. And you get the 2 D-rings, and you also get a screwdriver, and you also get a spare the metal thing that goes in here. And what I initially did was get the screwdriver and feed it through that hole, and it went in perfectly. You got to do it very slowly just so you don't ruin any of the leather on the outside or any of the leather from the inside, because if you rip it, it's gone, like it's of no use. And I kind of did that, and then I tried to feed it in, but because this thing is inside the zipper, like I don't even know how to explain it, but because it's inside the zipper, it's hard to feed through because it's too thick. So I almost gave up. I almost said, stuff this, I'm going to return the item and just get the bag because it was so much trouble. I think I cried at one stage. My palms were like, I started sweating up. It was a headache to do. I turned off the camera. I tried to do it for the longest time. My husband was home, and finally, I don't even know how, but I got it through. Then in the mail, so this came by courier, then in the mail I actually got this, and it came with a note that just kind of said, we apologize that the packaging for your recent order was damaged in transit. A replacement set of packaging is being sent to you. Please see our fragrance samples enclosed for you to enjoy. So she sent me this came separately. So she sent me 4 perfume samples. This is the Alchemist Garden. Exposure's probably too up. I got Gucci Guilty. I've already got this perfume. I love this. It smells really nice. It smells very vintage. but I like the smell. I mix it with some other stuff. This is Gucci Bloom, the yellow one, and then this is Gucci Memoir. So yay, and I also got some stickers. I don't know what I'm going to do with these stickers or what you're supposed to use them for, if there's a use for them, but I like them, they're cute. So if you like this, hit the thumbs up, please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.